Hello everyone. Finally, after a very long time, I have some good news for you guys. On Tuesday, Bangladesh signed a huge defense technology transfer deal with China. This means Bangladesh will now be making Chinese weapon systems in Bangladeshi factories for the Bangladeshi military. It's important to mention that China has offered us many such deals in the past 15 years, but Sheikh Hasina rejected all of those deals on behalf of Dandia. Now with Sheikh Hasina out of the picture and Dr. Yunus as our leader, we can finally move forward and start producing the necessary weaponry that we need in Bangladesh with the help of China. Dr. Yunus will soon meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping, so expect more good news in the coming months. This technology transfer is for small to medium-sized firearms, rocket launchers, man-pads, and light utility vehicles. In this video, I will go over each category and discuss what specific weapons Bangladesh might have already chosen or could choose in the future. Small arms. QBZ-191 assault rifle. The QBZ-191 is China's latest standard issue assault rifle. Currently, Bangladesh uses a Chinese Type 56 variant produced by Bangladesh Ordnance Factory called the BD-08. Bangladesh Army has been looking for a replacement for the BD-08 for a few years now. The QBZ-191 would be a great choice for this. It's a modern rifle optimized for both CQB and mid-range combat. Bangladesh could build a variant of this and use it as its future standard issue rifle. LS7 9mm submachine gun. Currently, Bangladesh doesn't produce any sort of submachine gun. We have to buy them from foreign countries, which is very expensive. The LS7 9mm is a modern submachine gun optimized for urban combat. So Bangladesh Police, RAB and some special forces would greatly benefit from having this submachine gun in their arsenal. Lastly, there's the QBU-191, which is a DMR for long-range combat. With the small arms section covered, we can now move on to manpads. For manpads, Bangladesh can choose the QW-19. The QW-19 is the most advanced true manpad system that China currently makes. It is designed to shoot down low-flying aircraft and helicopters of all kinds, including attack helicopters. It has infrared homing guidance system with digital seeker technology. It has a range of 5,000 meters and can engage targets up to 4,000 meters altitude. It also has resistance to electronic warfare systems. Final section, rocket launchers. For this section, we have the PF-98A anti-tank rocket launcher or ATGM. The PF-91A is a 120mm modern Chinese anti-tank rocket launcher with an advanced sighting system. It has a range of 800 meters and can penetrate 800mm of homogeneous armor. Its primary targets are tanks and fortifications like bunkers. There's also the DZJ-08 multi-purpose assault weapon. It is a 80mm shoulder-fired disposable rocket launcher. Its primary targets are armored troop carriers, fortifications, and personnel. It has a range of 300 meters and can penetrate 500mm of concrete. And with that, I have covered all of the categories. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. If you wish to support me, please like the video and leave a comment. Even if your comment is something small like nice video man, it still helps out with the YouTube algorithm a lot. I appreciate everyone who subscribes, likes and comments. I know most of you by your usernames actually. Hope you enjoyed the video and I will hopefully see you soon in another video.